Dear students, good evening. Recently, UGC NET December 2024 notification announced by the UGC and NTA. We know about the information about the UGC NET exam. So, what is UGC NET? UGC NET is University Grant Commission National Eligibility Test conducted by the National Testing Agency to determine the eligibility of candidates for junior research fellowship, another one assistant professor positions in Indian universities and colleges. The purpose of the UGC NET ensures quality standards in higher education and research. Another one to provide opportunities for advanced research in various disciplines. So, what are the benefits for clearing the UGC NET exam? The basically it is important to the career advancement. The qualify for the assistant professors roles in Indian universities and colleges. Another one is eligibility for JRF. It is to pursue PhD with fellowship opportunities. Another one is to get the financial support, fellowship for research work under UGC funded programs. Another benefit is recognition, adds credibility and value to academic qualifications. The subjects in the UGC NET exam. Presently, UGC NET exam is conducted for 82 subjects including humanities, for example, history, sociology, etc., sciences, environmental sciences, life sciences, commerce, management and law, regional languages, computer science and applications. Eligibility criteria for the UGC NET exam. General and EWC master degree with 55% of marks secured in the post graduation. OBC, NCL, SC, ST and PWD master degree with 50% of marks secured in their post graduation. Age limit for JRF Junior Research Fellowship maximum 30 years of age. Relaxation apply for reserved categories. For assistant professor, there is no age limit. The syllabus overview in the UGC NET examination. Paper 1, general paper. This is including teaching and research aptitude. Paper 2 is the domain subject specific based on the candidate's post graduation. The detailed syllabus available on the official UGC NET website. What are the consist of the syllabus? The paper 1 is general paper. Its code is 00. General paper objective is to assess the teaching or research aptitude, reasoning ability and comprehension. The key topics are teaching and research aptitude, logical reasoning, reading comprehension, data interpretation, ICT, information and communication technology, higher education system. In paper 2, subject specific paper focus areas on domain knowledge in the selected subject by the candidate. Advanced level questions given based on the master's curriculum or PG standard. The question types 100 multiple choice questions, each carrying 2 marks. Then, if we qualified UGC NET exam for JRF, if the qualify for the JRF in the UGC NET exam, eligibility for phased programs with fellowship. Fellowship is valid for 3 years with junior research fellowship. After completion of the JRF, he will be eligible for the SRF, senior research fellowship for 2 years. For assistant professor, eligible to apply for teaching positions in colleges, universities across the India. Additional opportunities. Recruitment in public sector undertakings also get through the who qualified the UGC NET examination. And another one, what are the exam pattern? Exam pattern is it is the conducted on the computer based test CBT pattern. The structure of the exam pattern is paper 1 and paper 2. Paper 1 consists 50 questions for 100 marks. It is general paper. Paper 2 100 questions having 200 marks consist of the domain subject or domain knowledge. Duration is 3 hours with no break. Marking scheme, each question get for the correct answer plus 2 marks. There is no negative mark. Another one, what is the application process? First, register online at ugcnet.nta.ac.in. Fill the application form, upload photo and signature, pay the application fee. The application fee is general 1150, OBC, NCL and EWS 600 rupees, SC, ST, PW candidates are 325 rupees. What are the documents needed for the application process? Master's degree certificate, ID proof, recent photograph. And the last one, the preparation planning for the to crack the UGC NET examination. Understanding the syllabus is the first and most important thing to familiarize ourselves with the official syllabus. Official syllabus is the way for the to reach the UGC NET examination. And also another important given to the time management. Time management is very important. The allocation of the time to paper 1 and paper 2 preparation, and also to set a goals or targets for weekly and monthly targets you have to determine. Another one, what are the resources are important? Basically NCERT books, UGC NET specific guides and previous year questions papers, online platforms for mock tests and practice sessions. The focus areas will be the for paper 1 is logical reasoning, teaching aptitude and reading comprehension. For paper 2 is domain expertise with the subject expertise with application model. Daily study routine is to allocate 4 to 6 hours daily for preparation of the UGC NET exam, and also to practice regular revisions and self-assessment for to strengthen in the subject expertise. These are the basic overview of the UGC NET examination. Thank you.